You got to police your thoughts. You have to remember you're a creator. You are a creator, you know. You shouldn't be here competing. Because that's what we do today. We're always in competition with someone. You know. We're not here to compete. We're here to create. Create. So we have to know the formula of creating. Creating. Everything is scattered out there, you know. Everything is scattered. How do you get it together? That's what they say. It's all in the mind. All in the mind. Close your eyes and formulate whatever in your mind. That's you bringing Israel. You know, you're bringing Israel together. So when a chicken go on an egg on the first day, that's Israel scattered. In that egg, it's just liquid. So that's Israel scattered. But after 21 days, after lying on that egg, Israel is formed into one. So when we understand that that's us, that's our psychological self, that's how we have to form things, then you will understand whenever anger rises in you, you will think about it, because you know you're creating a storm for your own self and your loved ones. Yeah, so that's where everything starts, but we're just not aware. We're just not aware. It was just an empty space. When you look around, all what you see in the empty space, we created it. You see the house, you see the cars, you see the light poles, you see everything around. How do you think you get there? It had to formulate in the mind, someone's mind. Yeah, someone persisted in it. Yeah, and it come be an objective fact. So whatever you have in your mind, how much you persist on it, it will come into your reality. That's why everything you see in reality today, and you can't tell how it comes. That's how it comes. We just don't realize that's how it comes. But all you gotta do is test it consciously. Test it with awareness, and you will see. Because there's no other law. That's the principle. If you don't follow that principle, then you will never get it right. It will always be a buck up, you know. Yeah. You have to get it like, oh, an electrician get the principle of electric. And no, light is here. Yeah, that's the same principle. Everything is principle and law. Everything. Everything. So first law. First law. It's all within you. It's not out there. What's out there came from what's in here. And what's out there is coming to an end. Just like when you make a bread or a cake or anything. From the moment it's made, what is happening? It's vibrating back to where you can't see it again. Like in the physical world, we would say zero is nothing. You know, we would say zero is nothing. But in the metaphysical world, in the psychological world, zero is everything. Everything. It's only called nothing in the physical world because you can't see it, you know. And as a kid, to get into all of that, they just tell you zero is nothing. But as I get older, you know, and start growing, you're going to realize zero is everything. Yeah. Zero is everything. That's it. You should always remember, there's no such thing as nothing. Not because you can't do something, and you don't understand something, that doesn't mean it's not, you know. When we say, can you create out of nothing? No. It's not, you know, it's because of lack of understanding. Everything lies in your imagination. Everything. He told you, you were created in the image and likeness of the Creator. So when you're going to create something, what do you do? What do you do when you're going to create something? You have to be imitator of your Creator. If He create in His image, how are you going to create? You're going to have to create in your image and in your likeness. So whatever you want in your world, in your objective world, because it's always in your subjective world. Everything is in your subjective world. Everything comes from your subjective world. So it's what you want in your objective world. You're going to activate that. And you activate that from within yourself. But because we don't understand this mechanism of us, we don't understand the law, the principle that run it, we don't understand the blueprint. We have ones and ones out there who know our blueprint, and we who don't know, they are using our blueprint against us. They are using our blueprint to make an instrument, you know, an instrument like a telephone. Well, I'm on a telephone now. It's an instrument. How did they make it? From our blueprint. How did they make a camera? From our blueprint. How did they make a TV, a computer? From your blueprint, so they know you, but you don't know you. And that's why we're always messing up. That's the reason why we're always messing up. You have to follow the blueprint. We have to follow the blueprint. Just like in the seed. There's a blueprint in the seed. You won't see a mango bringing forth an orange. Now you're going to see an apple bringing forth a plum. The blueprint is within that seed. So what we call the creator, that work done from the moment you can see an object, it's done. The subject is within the object. When you can see an object, the subject is in the object. That's why everything is energy, vibrating at different frequency. That's why when it's on a low frequency, you can see like the 3 dimension. But above the 3 dimension, it's just mind. You can't see it out here. You know, and that's what we are locked in our 5 senses. If you want knowledge, you got to know knowledge terminate at a certain point. You know, subjective knowledge is beyond physical knowledge. Just like when you're going to go sleep, the 5 senses have to close off before you go sleep. If the 5 senses remain awake, what happens? You can't go sleep in it. You can't go sleep. So you need the 5 senses when it's needed. You got to know what it's for, you know. And that's where the human lies. We don't tell about the human. How this?
Hey, what go on, my G? Good, my brother. Bless up. You good, my brother?
Always, always. No other way to be, you know.
What you say?
That's the only way to be, you know. Good, good, good.
Yes, my brother. All bless. All bless. Praise to Jah.
That's it, man.
You know, big up.
That's it.
Big up. You know, one love, one unity, my brother.
That's it, man. All the way, all the way.
You know, respect, respect.
Yeah, man. Respect for coming on the live, you know. Show the love, you know. Respect, man.
Respect, my brother. Come on. Always, my G.
Always, always.
Always,
Peace
my
love, yeah?
brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, now
Love
stay
and light.
blessed, ja.
Stay blessed, my brother, yeah?
Stay blessed, my G.
Yes, man. Every time, every time. Love, love, love. Yeah, man. That's how it is, you know? Jah love, you know? Jah love. Think love, and love will be with you all the way, you know? 100% love. The moment you are loving somebody less, you're only subtracting from your own self and whoever you care and love. Because what we really are is love. That's what we really are. We are love.